So when you're doing the standing dumbbell tricep extension, the main difficulty is being able to get your arms up overhead without having to hyper extend your spine. If you are finding that you're hyperextending your spine, you can always flare your elbows out just a little bit more. You can put your two dumbbells together. That tends to help as well. That gives you a little bit more room to move. And you can bring your elbows forward just a little bit as opposed to trying to have your elbows perfectly overhead. Often, if you're trying to have it perfectly overhead and you got a weight behind you, then your back is going to naturally extend to try to counterbalance that weight. So think about engaging your glutes, engaging your quads, engaging your abs as you have that weight overhead with those dumbbells together when you're doing your tricep extensions. So if you're ready to regress, or if you need to regress the standing dumbbell tricep extension, the first thing that you're going to do is go to a lighter load. And then if you still need to regress, then we are going to actually decrease the distance in which you move. So just don't go as far back down, don't go as fully extended up overhead. And then last but not least, then you'll slow down that movement if you still need to regress. So if you're doing the standing dumbbell tricep extension and you're ready to progress, the first thing that you're actually going to do is increase the speed. So obviously increasing the speed within your safety parameters, within your functional range of motion with high quality movement. Once you've maxed that speed, then there's not really a way to increase the distance if you're already going in your full range of motion. So then the last thing that you would do if you still need to progress is grab a heavier set of dumbbells and go heavier.